All right, today we're going to bring a vacuum air clipper. All right, now, if you never heard of it, I'm going to talk a little bit more about it. So instead of making a mess in your actual bathtub or your sink, this is going to shave you and it's going to reactivate a vacuum. It's going to suck up all the hair in here. And now I like this, that they give you a couple blades, all right? They give you one blade here and here's the secondary, all right? In case you got to change it, you got to clean it out, you can do that. Also, they give you clips, a brush, and a little bit of oil because yes, you need to oil this down. Now, this is a Type-C charging station. It charges in the bottom, but when you turn it on, look at this. I'm gonna show you guys how to turn it on. So when you turn it on, white, it's fully charged. Look at the vacuum's on. So turns on the clippers first, vacuum, and you can feel it. All the air's coming to the back. And then you can turn it off. So you can use the clippers that you want. Well, you can tell I need to shave this off completely. Not everything, but at least enough where I'm going to trim it down. So we are going to use it today. We definitely need a shaving. So I am going to use this machine to actually not make a mess. So let's put it to use. All right, so if you guys don't know about this clipper, so I'm going to actually use one of the clips on because, of course, I want to make sure I shave it, but not completely off. So I like that they give you two different ones, all right? The two different ones is because of different sizes. Right now, it's bare bones, so there's nothing on there right now. We are going to clip one on right now. It goes right here in the back, and you got to snap it in there. You guys can see that. It snaps in there. That's pretty much it. One thing I didn't mention is very insecure. Once you secure this, on the bottom, you see that? You could actually lower it down. Look at this. Lower it down to wherever you want. So right now we're lowering it down to the actual one, number one, right here from the clip. And this is the shortest clip that they have right now. So we're going to test it out in a bit and see how that well works. So I like that they have that option. So clip it on. Once it snaps in there, you're able to control this with this, all right? The elevation from this. I'm going to, first we're going to try 3 because I have a lot of hair and I'm going to try 3 first, all right? So turn it on once, hit the button again, vacuum comes on. You can hear it. I like this because before, it used to go all over my mouth. Okay, now we're going to turn it up a little bit more to maybe 2 now. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Look at that. See how much hair we have now. Look at that. Ooh, that is nasty. Ooh, look at that. That's how much hair we have. That's a lot right now. So we're going to finish up the rest of it. All right, we just took out the top, if you guys can see, but the hair, make sure it doesn't go on the vacuum. And this part right here is where you're going to have to get the hair out. And there it goes. You push it up and then up, and then look at that. All that. See the hair. So if you guys are looking for it's still a little tiny little hairs came out here and there, but not that bad like before. But this actually cut all this. So hope you guys enjoy this video.